Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today we will be learning how to make dinner rolls. Let's get started with the dough. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 large whisked egg, say 1 tablespoon of egg for later use. Add half cup of warm milk. Three tablespoons of unsalted butter. Stir them until 5 to 8 minutes. Cover at a warm place for 60 to 90 minutes. Now let's see how to make the filling. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add chopped onion. Saute them well. To this add chopped capsicum, carrots. Saute them well. Now add spring onions. Mix them well. Add shredded chicken. Add salt, chili powder and pepper powder. Add coriander leaves. And saute well. Add plain flour or all-purpose flour and mix well. Add 1 cup of milk. Cook until the milk dry. Let's see how to assemble. Now take the prepared dough mixture, sprinkle some flour and knead for 5 to 10 minutes. Once they are ready, cut them into equal parts using a pizza slicer or a large knife. Make dough balls of equal size and roll them into oval shaped flatbreads. Place the filling at the edge of the flatbread. add cheese and wrap them as shown in the video. Once they are done, place the rolls on a buttered smeared oven plate and cover them for 30 minutes at a warm place. Now use the saved egg for glazing. Top up the rolls with sesame seeds. Or some with parsley or coriander leaves. Let's see how to bake them. Bake them for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius in fan mode or 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our delicious, soft and cheesy dinner rolls are ready to serve. Please check our other playlist like chicken playlist, snack playlist for more such recipes. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Press the red button, which is absolutely free. Press the bell icon for notifications. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.